And welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to use a Gourmia. This is an air fryer. I got it as a gift from my mom. So I wanted to start out by doing something simple. They say you can do all kinds of things in here. You can do wings, fries, let me get a little closer, bacon, you can bake, you can do broil, you can just pretty much cook a lot of things in here, and it's supposed to be more healthy. So I'm going to start out really simple. I'm going to do a hash brown. So I placed one hash brown in here, and the hash browns actually had an option for air fry for the directions. Sometimes they'll have it for oven and microwave, and then they actually had it for air fry, and that was the or rider. So I'm going to close this up because it won't turn on if you leave it open. So let me just, sorry. And then we're going to turn this on here. This is also my first time, so we're experimenting, and I'm going to let you know if it's really crispy. Is this a good way to cook your hash browns in the morning? And actually, they had recipes for different types of hash browns. If you don't like those kind, you're supposed to be able to cook them in here too. So let's start with something simple and see how it goes. Now, it's supposed to be, we want to air fry. It was supposed to be at 400 degrees, and the time was supposed to be for 10 minutes. Wait a minute, do I have to do that for the whole time? Come on. Let me see. Nah. Got fries in there, wings. Seem like mostly everything is 400. Preheat. We don't want that. Bake. Time. Okay, let me get the time together. Stay tuned. So all you have to do is press the air fry if you have this brand, and then push start and here, and then the time comes up. It was at 20 minutes, and then I just lowered it down to 12. So for one hash brown, it said 10 to 12 minutes. So I'm going to go ahead and do 12 because I like it when it's crispy. Okay, stay tuned. Minutes left, and I just wanted to show you that it's not hot. And I'm going to open this up. What it's going to do, it's going to open up, it's going to stop, and then when you close it, it continues at whatever time. I just want to take a peek and see what's going on. So I only have one hash brown in here. Oh, wait a minute now. That is looking fabulous. Well, okay, I'm going to close it up. Let me go ahead and finish it. I need two hands to close it. I don't know why. Okay, it's not hard to close, but I just want to make sure I'm pressing it in there right. Okay, so I'm going to close this in. 1 second. Sorry, you out of frame. Okay, I closed it. It continued. Okay, so we're going to let that go ahead and finish cooking. And stay tuned. I'm cooking bacon on the side. We'll do some more videos when I maybe cook bacon in here, and then I'll start branching out and being more fancy. But right now, we're just trying to see how it works. Okay, stay tuned. I didn't catch it when it was beeping, but it actually beeps at you to let you know that the time ran out. And this is how it looked when it's done. So I'm going to open this up first time with everybody. All right. And you can hear it sizzling like it was fried. There are some recipes out there if you Google, and they say to put a little olive oil or something in here. But what I find is, oops, don't want to drop this. Yeah, I can tell this is crispy already. Let me get something else to get it. You know, when you get the frozen foods, they're kind of oily. So they already kind of have an oil in them. So I found that I didn't have to do that with these hash browns. And trying to pick, I mean, this is really crispy. It's beautiful. It has a golden brown color. You hear that? This is the bomb right here. And of course, you didn't have to fry it. There are other ways that you can cook your hash browns, But I like for my hash browns to be crispy. You hear that? That's crispiness right there. Look at that. Look at the steam coming from that. This is awesome. Thank you, Mom. We are going to, and I know the Ore-Ida are very good hash browns. I used to do them in the toaster, but this is so much better. And then I don't have to always clean up my toaster. But this is really simple to clean. You just pull this whole tray out here, clean it, and then next thing. They say you can do anything, bacon, fries. I'm gonna show you how to do a lot of things, and I'm gonna give you an honest opinion about it. But so far, these hash browns are great, and I'm pretty sure French fries and things like that and bacon are probably very awesome too. So anyway, guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching, and have a great day.